Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I'm talking to you about the fact that if you want to make money from real estate, you must take care of real estate. If you want to make money from your hostel, you must take care of your hostel. If you want to make money from your property, you must take care of your property. There are many people that have houses to let. Nobody is renting it. Or people are renting it, but they are paying very minimal amount compared with what they should have been able to get from that particular property. Now, let me tell you something about real estate. If you have a real estate and you have all amenities needed in that real estate, that is going to shoot up the price of the real estate. That is going to make the price of the real estate to go up for you to be able to get people that will pay premium price for the premium property that you have to offer. Now, in a location whereby people just build face me and face you building, 1 toilet or 2 toilets, 10 rooms or 20 rooms, one single room, different people stay in that kind of house. How much do you expect to get from that kind of people? How much are they going to pay? And how much are they going to take care of that real estate property for you? They will not take care of it much. But let's assume that you build a room self-contained, where in a suite you have your toilet, you have the water, you have the kitchen, and the water is running in the home. Most of those face me and face you, they don't have water. You see all the children in that 10 rooms, in that 5 rooms, in those 20 rooms, they will go outside carrying bucket on their head, morning, afternoon, night, fetching water from outside and coming in. That alone is a big stress for them. So such kind of people will not be able to pay premium amount of money. But in a house that is tiled, a house that has a dishwasher, a house that has water running, and in fact it has these water heater, a house that has, even you have make available, if possible, a washing machine as an incentive to them, maybe a central one, maybe even employ somebody that handles the washing, maybe every Saturday or every Saturday and Sunday, or every Friday and Saturday and Sunday, the person comes to wash, and anybody that want to wash will pay. Such houses, you are going to get professional people. You are going to get busy people. You are going to get people that have the means come to stay in that house. In fact, in that house will advertise itself. So I've seen people that have hostels. There are some other hostels that in their hostels, what they have is good property. They have it, the house is tiled, the house is gated, the house has a security guard, the house is fenced, and many other amenities are there. Then I was surprised there are some other houses today that utilizes solar. They have solar panel, they have even generator, so that when there's power failure, the house still has power supply. And then they can raise the amount of money they are going to charge. Many students want convenience. And they can pay. And their parents can pay because they want convenience. They don't want to stress their life. So when they see such houses, they are going to rent it and they are going to pay you. And then you are going to provide the services and provide the opportunity for them to enjoy the building. So if you have a real estate as a hostel, as a house to rent, as any kind of property, and people are not patronizing you, check it again. You have not taken care of that real estate. You have not taken care of that hostel. You have not taken care of that house. If you take good care of it, water is running. Anytime there's a complaint, you fix it. People are going to be begging year in, year out to stay in that real estate. So if you want to do business, make sure you have the means and at your own capacity and do business. And if you don't have the means to do business, you can join other people to come and assist you. You can join other people to come and assist you instead of lamenting and staying. Now this is money to be made. Call other people that have the means, sit down with them and discuss the business idea with them. I have this, but I don't have money to renovate it. I don't have money to provide this service. Provide this service for me, and you come in, give me money to provide this service. This is how much I'm going to be sharing back to you every month. You see, by so doing, you are going to make money, and you help them to make money also. And people will be willing to invest with you, and they will invest more. There was a particular place where they contributed to build a hostel like that. The first year of building, the capital of the individuals were still intact, and they got 25,000 naira. That was about 10 years ago. They got 25,000 naira each as dividend for the year. Then the people that got that dividend were asking, when is the next construction? Because they've seen the dividend they got from the first one. that we just contributed how much and see how much we are getting, and our capital is intact. They said we want to do more. And what happened? They were willing to do more. And today they've done more and more and more and more. And this is what I'm calling everyone into. Form or join a cooperative. Don't go solo. Don't just be trying to do everything by yourself. You are going solo. Join a cooperative. Form a club where you can gather money together and do business. Now, if you want to buy land, you want to buy hostel, or you want to sell land, you want to sell hostel, especially in Ilorin, Nigeria, you can contact me and I can help you to get buyer, or I can help you to buy, get sellers for it. Now, if you're any other place in the world, you can get in touch with me. I'm going to do a shout out for you on this channel talking about your property, and buyers are going to contact you. But for that one, I'm going to charge you, but I will not charge you much. I'm going to charge you a token. My name is Dr. Olubengade Titun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. If you like content like this, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and if you have comment and question for me, drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Until then, make sure you take care of your real estate, and your real estate is going to take care of you. Bye for now.